of the Irish players. What Irish players do you know?
I think the Irish players are I think the changes. You know.
Ja, wollte gerade sagen, deine Stimme ist laut.
Komm. Okay.
Hey,
Irish player. Good. They play good football. They are not to the about.
Which ones do you know any names?
My name is Felix Thiele.
Oh yeah.
Lucas Blank. Blank no money.
I love Germany, and I think Irland is a beautiful land. I think you are beautiful man.
You're a good boy.
But which players do you know? Do you know Robbie Keane? No. Robbie Keane. Damien Duff.
Very good player. She's a legend.
A legend.
Okay, bye. Nein, so Miss American Pie.
Hallo, ich habe das ist eine Wünsche.
Was macht ihr denn da?
I wish for you, you have a beautiful time in Berlin.
Thank you.
And I wish very luck to your rise durch.
Felix war Tom.
Good luck in Poland. Good luck in Ukraine. Ukraine is hard. This hood, very lucky.
Oh, good. And thank you very much. Thank you. Good night.
For you.
Good night.
For you.
It's for you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Well, actually, will you speak some Irish for me? You know, the Irish language. I'll tell you what to say.
Yeah, okay.
The Irish for good night is Ihawa. Ihawa, yeah.
Okay, das.
Ihawa.